GM crypto news announcement. Here it is March 15th. And people are going to video. Please read the description below on the take of the shilling tokens. So let's look at the price tokens of majors. Bitcoin is still grinding higher. It is a pretty low volatility weekend, and it's still in the play for it to grind higher. First, it's going to have to reclaim 87K before we think of it trying to go even higher to like 90, 92-ish. And liquidation heat map wise, it is supporting liquidity to be grabbed up there. So this is very, very important. How there's a lot of heatness over here. That means that the market likes to sweep this liquidity, which means we're going to go higher, which means a lot of people are shorting this basically. So yeah, and altcoin wise, nothing really that crazy to say from the X screener, so I'm just gonna skip that and just go on with the tweets here. So someone had their sniper ready for Kanye. They tweeted contract address, so when Ye went on his retweeting spree, his sniper was triggered by a contract address in one of the retweets, spending 56.85 SOL plus 75 SOL in gas to buy swastika coin. Does he get wrecked or not? So this guy, he was trying to snipe the swastika coin that Kanye West was going to do, and this is his result. He closed for a $500,000 loss. Rest in peace. Yeah, so I'm guessing a lot of other people were trying to front run the sniping because Kanye West was basically the latest anticipated celebrity coin, and so there's going to be a lot of people trying to snipe this, and this guy got completely wrecked. Sometimes the sniping works, like what we happened with the previous celebrity coins, but he got pretty unlucky because a lot of people were expecting this already. So a pretty hard game to do, especially when everybody's on this, right? Let's look at this. Robinhood gets Popcat and Peanut. Market yawns. Popcat moves 12% while Peanut barely cleared 4% gains. Peanut listing came while Tony getting down 90% from all-time high. Current price like that. Popcat showing stronger fundamentals. So there was a listing from Coinbase by, Robinhood. They listed Popcat and Peanut and some other shit coin I fucking forgot. But they listed these, and Popcat was the one that moved more. But Robinhood listing should have listed them even harder, right? I'm going to show you guys the chart. So yeah, Popcat got listed around this bottom here, right, for Robinhood. And even if you zoom out, locally it looks good because it's up only, but it barely moved the chart at all. So it just shows that the listings are getting less of an effect on these meme coins over time. And this is specifically for Solana memes. So Coinbase has listed Popcat, Robinhood has listed Popcat, yet it's still at these shitters. Well, that's a pretty bearish sign. And for Popcat to ever get a catalyst to keep going up again, it's most likely going to have to be because it's pairing Solana goes up, not because of any more listings. So I'm a little bit bearish on Popcat because of this. And we'll see if this ever recovers fully to its all-time highs. It has to get a super new narrative, maybe a cat narrative, but Peanut as well, it has less Lindy effect than Popcat as a meme, which is why it doesn't move as much and the market doesn't really care about it. But in comparison to Base, right, even on Base, if they give the slightest movement of a listing, these tokens pump up like fucking crazy, like Dog and Me and KeyCat. They listed a Dog and Me listing, but KeyCat, it hasn't got a listing yet, but just rumors, and even this is pumping the price. So this just shows that Base memes are far superior for the meme coin ecosystem compared to the Solana meme coins. So interesting to see. Breaking, a whale just opened 332 million short on Bitcoin. What does he know? So this guy shorted Bitcoin with $300 million, a quarter or a third of $1 billion, which is a lot of money. Assuming a lot of those liquidation prices are being supported by this upper range here. We'll have to see. But I don't know if this is the Trump insider or not. But yeah, if this guy, it's more likely going to go higher just based off how everyone's trying to short this. So if this guy gets liquidated, then the price is going to squeeze hard, by the way, by an insane amount. So if this happens, this is going to be good. So last thing here, everyone wants the retest of the 70 to 74K previous compression top. Like, that's not how markets work. Well, I'm seeing veteran traders in that camp. It's either getting front ran, which seemingly seems to pace, or it's getting absolutely plowed through to 60s. Yes, so that is absolutely the sentiment of a lot of people on crypto Twitter, where everyone wants to short Bitcoin, and the short squeezing is definitely helping with it, where now it's grinding higher because of the short squeezes and all the liquidations here. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say in this video. Pretty short one, not too many things to talk about, very low volatility. The only things that are interesting altcoin wise are Base memes right now, but besides that, everything else is still pretty much dead. And for also be interesting again, we need to see Bitcoin claim the upper ranges, honestly. For it to keep ranging down here, well, don't expect anything too crazy. If it does actually go above and go to the upper ranges, things like KeyCat and Dog and Me will go absolutely ballistic. But let's not get too horny just yet. and things are going to get a little bit better perhaps. But yeah, I'll see you guys.